Rob, the Cook County State's Attorney's Office will not confirm whether or not they received that tape that Michael Avenatti says he turned over within the last month. He says that video is clear as day, and we're getting another report confirming that statement. Attorney Michael Avenatti, famous for representing Stormy Daniels and other celebrity clients, said his office was retained by multiple individuals seeking representation in connection with allegations against R. Kelly for sexually assaulting minors. In an interview today with CBS News, Avenatti said they went through a significant process to authenticate the tape, and that throughout the tape, both the female victim and R. Kelly referred to her as being 14 years of age. Avenatti says the 45-minute video depicts two different scenes shot on separate days.
There's no question that not only could this tape lead to his arrest, it will lead to his arrest and his conviction and incarceration. This is a bombshell of epic proportions. I know that word is overused a lot, but this is the piece of evidence that I think that prosecutors have needed for the better part of 2 decades. In my opinion, it's over for R. Kelly.
But many people will remember that the VHS tape that surfaced more than a decade ago when Kelly stood trial for child pornography charges did not lead to his conviction. CNN has reported that they viewed the new tape and it is much clearer.
It is very clear video that is quite different from the tape that was being sold back in the 90s and 2000s that was used in the very first trial.
While Avenatti did not say when the alleged incidents were recorded, legal expert Steve Lane explained to me that in the state of Illinois, there is no statute of limitations on criminal sexual assault and sexual abuse crimes against children. The statute for civil cases is 20 years after the victim turns 18. He said victim cooperation is key, but not imperative.
There may be others besides the victim who might be able to say, for instance, in this, quote, clear video, that this is the victim, this is the person who is being the complaining witness, whether or not they're testifying.
Kelly's attorney responded with a lengthy statement. He said Avenatti was breaking the news today to try to distract from recent unfavorable reports about him. He also said he questions today's reports, saying in part, quote, "I have not been contacted by anyone connected with law enforcement, nor has R. Kelly." Mr. Kelly denies that he has engaged in any illegal conduct of any kind whatsoever. Now, Avenatti claims that R. Kelly's voice is identifiable in this tape, so too a mole on his back that was the subject of much scrutiny in that case in 2008. Live in the West Loop, Megan Hickey, CBS 2 News. Rob, back to you.
Okay, Megan, thank you.